What's up, guys? Today, I'm going to teach you some chess tactics and strategies you can use in your game.
Smash that subscribe button and stay tuned in for our next video.
So, we will be starting off the video with the fastest checkmate in chess. Okay, so what you do first is move the pawn to e4. This is called a king's pawn opening. Let's say black doesn't expect a fool's mate coming from us. So he moves this pawn randomly, okay? Then we move the bishop over here. Then he moves this knight over here. Now what we do is move the queen to f3. Black's gonna move his pawn to h4 because he doesn't know what he's doing. He doesn't suspect anything. And then we go here, and that's checkmate. Okay, so next I'm going to be teaching you an opening. Okay, so for this opening, you have to move this pawn to b3 and then move this bishop to b2. The point of this opening is to capture this rook. And it's really good opening if it is done correctly. I use this opening in my own style. So what I do is I sacrifice a piece over here, and then this pawn has to take that piece. But what black doesn't realize is that my bishop is standing right behind that pawn. So when he captures that piece, I'll just capture the rook. And well, now I got 1 point. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and see you next time on The Chess Player.